This is the $5,000, the $10,000, even the $15,000 mistake that most SaaS companies, tech companies, and content creators don't even know they're making. LinkedIn says that 30-second or less videos get 3 times more completion than longer ones. I know it's kind of an oxymoron because I'm making a video that's obviously longer than 30 seconds. But what I'm trying to tell you is those first 30 seconds count the most. We've all done it. Blast one video to every platform, lead with specs, but we forget the call to action. We bury it, we throw it away, we poo-poo on it. This one mid-market SaaS team that we began working with, they flipped that. By this little tweak, they cut their CPL, their cost per lead, by 40% in just 1 quarter with these videos. Do you think your current editor really knows this little trick? Probably not. If they do, they should be reaching out to you. What I did a couple of weeks ago when Claude 4 came out, I actually took a raw script and product slides and I dropped them into Claude 4. That's Anthropic's build for structure, not fluff. Don't forget to include the call to action. It came back with the script, the call to action options, and even a visual layout. So then I write Claude's 20-60-20 pass, okay? That's 20% hook, 60% one value prop, and 20% clear call to action. It's like giving your footage a GPS. Remember, 80% of LinkedIn views and on YouTube, they all happen on mute, believe it or not. So what you're gonna wanna do is burn your captions in, and today it's so easy. I use opus.com. I also use Premiere's transcription and caption editing tools inside of Premiere. I can manipulate the subtitles to match what I need to do. And as a treat for watching this video to almost its end, I'm gonna give you guys a free Claude prompt and plug and play script and a free video content playbook just for your business. It's a $500 value that I'm giving to you for free. Go ahead and fill out this form. It's all simple. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, we brought you any value, go ahead and hit subscribe and like. That helps us with our algorithm and it helps us grow. And as always, we have 2 more videos for you. This one right here will tell you about make.com and how you can use make.com to integrate AI into your current SaaS software or content creating system. The one down below, I've chosen just for you. We'll see you in the next video.